Okay, Satvik. Actually, we were studying about the commercial office design.
Yeah,
तो बेसिकली व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, एक थीम प्रिपेयर करना है, एक like concept prepare करना है, और we have to make a interior scheme for for a office, commercial office, for an interior design, sorry, interior designer or an architect. So first exercise is this. So basically क्या देखना है कि हमारा एंट्रेंस कैसा होगा, एंट्रेंस लॉबी कैसा होगा, रिसेप्शन डेस्क कहाँ पे प्लेस करेंगे, देन जो मेन ऑफिस एरिया होता है, जो वर्क स्पेस होता है, वो हम कैसे डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. ओके तो अभी एक जनरल ब्रीफ, लाइक आई वांट कि तुम एक स्टडी करो, पहले जनरल ब्रीफ कर लो कि ऑफिस में क्या क्या होता है. लास्ट टू लास्ट, मतलब जो फर्स्ट लेक्चर है, देयर यू विल गेट सम लाइक जनरल स्टफ कि ऑफिस में कैसे हमें डिफाइन करनी है अपनी चीज़ें. गो थ्रू दैट वंस, देन स्टार्ट गोइंग थ्रू कि एक आर्किटेक्ट ऑफिस में क्या क्या रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. आफ्टर दैट मेक अ स्कीम फॉर दैट, एंड फाइनल असाइनमेंट. फर्स्ट असाइनमेंट अभी जो मैंने दिया था वाज अबाउट इंडोर प्लांट्स. एक प्रेजेंटेशन पहले प्रिपेयर कर लेना कि इंडोर प्लांट्स हम लोग क्या क्या यूज कर सकते हैं. देन ऑब्वियसली ऑफिस में जैसे चाहिए होगा वहाँ पे हम प्लांटर्स प्लेस करेंगे, इन इंडोर एंड आउटडोर ऑल्सो. तो इंटीरियर्स में भी एक्सटीरियर में भी विल बी यूजिंग आवर लैंडस्केप. प्लस जो इंटीरियर डिजाइन होगा वो भी तुम्हें अपना स्कीम में प्रोवाइड करना पड़ेगा. लाइक वी क्रिएट मूड बोर्ड और वी क्रिएट कंसेप्ट फॉर लाइक फॉर एनी डिजाइन.
तो
ठीक है.
मैंने स्कीम का प्रेजेंटेशन बनाना है कि लाइक पेपर पे?
नहीं, पेपर पे यू हैव टू स्केच इट.
ओके मैम.
ओके एंड ठीक है, यू कैन गो थ्रू इट वंस. बाकी जनरल तो यू नो दैट देयर इज अ एंट्रेंस, देन देयर इज अ एंट्रेंस लॉबी. लॉबी में ही लाइक एंट्रेंस के सामने ही रिसेप्शन टेबल होना चाहिए, where you can have like एंट्रेंस करते ही तुम्हें सामने रिसेप्शन दिख जाए. देन देयर शुड बी अ वेटिंग रूम, then a small pantry, a toilet, a workspace. Like in case of an uh, architectural kind of offices, there will be a like maybe there is a cabin for a principal architect or a interior designer. फिर staff area अलग होगा. You may have a workplace like some different cabin or in an open space. इस तरह से there will be segregations. Then you can also have a conference room. So there are different kind of a thing you have. फिर maybe एक like अगर you have your samples and you have your booklets या pamphlets अलग अलग तरीके के, so you may have a store room, you may have a discussion room like in a different place. तो इस तरह से you have to see like you have to read more and more about this. Go through few architects office or few interior designer office, and then you'll get all this.
ओके मैम.
Okay. Chetna, what were you doing in this?
Ma'am, I'm going to study for the pre-existing offices.
Okay, have you done anything right now, or yes, like about to study?
Ma'am, I told you in the morning that I have completed all the basic elements which have to be covered. I am now going to study for the pre-existing ones.
Okay, okay. So I have given you few examples. You can go through that. Otherwise, normal Google भी कर लोगे. You will get more and more things. You can go to few books if like जो हमारे standard interiors के books हैं उसमें you can go through offices, through commercial offices. तो वहाँ पे you will get more and more details and dimensions कि कैसे provide करते हैं, plus with the furniture कि furnitures हम कैसे provide कर सकते हैं. So you have the book, you can go through the book.
Okay, ma'am.
Satvik, Do you have the book? I guess Time Saver या न्यूफर्ड होगी for interior design.
मैम टाइम सेवर है मेरे पास.
Okay, okay. Then you will be having a commercial office करके एक chapter होगा, एक unit है I guess, where there you can go through all this
यस
stuff.
मैम, यस मैम.
Okay, Chetna, would you like to discuss what are the elements you have like thought of or have gone through? Chetna,
Yes, ma'am.
would you like to discuss what are the elements you have gone through, or like maybe after a while you want to discuss it?
No, I can explain. Basically, you have mentioned the points before, so I have done a detailed study on that.
Okay, what is that?
The first one goes as the importance of partitions in a workplace. Um,
Yes,
it should be mainly of aluminium or timber or glass partitions, which are mainly used in commercial spaces. And things to be kept in mind that they should be cost effective and practical to the design, provides some sort of privacy, and uh, provides matlab ki, light to weight that it doesn't damages a thing if something went wrong. Then
yes,
importance of lobby. It creates a flow towards the building and connections, and it gives a right blend to a place, and basically it is the foremost introduction to the place you are visiting for the first time, and different sections of a lobby submerges into different blocks, or the places where the divisions have been made, so it is easier to find out with the help of the lobby. Then there is
yes,
reception desk. Reception desk is the foremost place where you once you enter a place, it is the first thing that you see. It should be placed straight to the eyes, as entering a new place, you don't know matlab, where what is located, so it would help you to give a particular location at where you need to find your place. And it benefits in creating um, socialism in professional manner, and it improves business relationships. Color scheme again is an important effect. It performs a great sense of connect and connection. It displays basically um, it reflects basically the brand which they need to showcase, or say it reflects their personality basically. Uh, so color scheme basically has an important aspect over a commercial place. Then furniture, there are some essential furniture that are to be required in a commercial building, like desk, writing desk, chairs, conference tables, then file storage units. Matlab, there are many. Then comes the importance of upholstered furnitures. Upholstery provides you the feel of comfortness to a place and gives a fresh look to any area. So it gives a it gives a good appearance to the customers or the visitors visiting to your place regularly. Then comes the last. is importance of plants. Plants provide a good ambience, a good environment to your space. It refreshes your area, and it even pleases the eyes of the customers or the person visiting.
Yeah, so these were the basic point which we have discussed in our previous classes. So okay,
Yeah.
start working on a on a theme. Like if you have a space, how we will design it and place some interior like whatever indoor plants you want. You can have some hanging pots as well, some exterior garden as well. So just keep in mind and start sketching as we do in our concepts, that what will be the theme, what will be the scheme for this, and you should you have to mention what kind of color palette you are using.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then start doing it right now, and if you have any query, do ask me. Satvik, you also start working on this. Uh, Read out something, and then you can start working on this. Firstly, go through the indoor and outdoor plants which you are using. Okay, Chetna, you start working on this, and if you have any query, do ask.
Ma'am, the assignments you created in the classroom,
Yes.
ma'am, what do we have to do in that?
For now, you just have to work on your theme. When I'll tell you, then I just have created the tab over there. You don't have to do anything right now.
Okay,
That's why I haven't defined the date yet.
okay, thank you, ma'am.
Chetna, how are you doing it? Like, uh, should I tell you a space where you have to work as an architect's office, like size of a room or maybe a building block, or you want to do it on your own? Means you have some, like, something in your mind.
Ma'am, basically, right now I am looking for a concept, so um, I am focusing on the elements and the color schemes and all right now. So once I am through with that, then I will let you know.
Okay. Okay, fine. You can continue with your work then. And if you want, we can discuss it today, or maybe we can discuss in our next class so that
Yes,
you have enough time to do your concept work.
ma'am. But like I was browsing for the color scheme, so would it be good to take blues and greens?
Yeah, it's fine to take blues and greens. No issues.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.